All right, in the second part of this video, I'm going to show you from the Formuler Z11 Pro Max how the Sling paid service can run on these devices. Now, if you don't know anything about Sling, let me go ahead and go to the Zeus browser. I'm going to open up the browser, click on URL, and I'll go back to Sling. Sling is a paid service. Right now they have a special where you can get it for $40 for different packages and things of that nature. Also, you have just not only the paid service, but you also have Sling free stream. So they have a lot of different content on Sling free stream, which you don't have to have a paid service, which I actually do, which you'll see in a moment. And you can see where it says it's always free. It's absolutely legal. So you can always put this on your devices and just use Sling free stream. Now, before all of this happens, what I want to do now is I'm going to go back if I can. And so Sling is about $40 a month. And so they have a special, well, they'll take 50% off or something for you to get started for, 50% off. So let me see if I can go to offers here real quick. So you see the best deal in live TV as low as $20 for the first month. So I went ahead and tried it, and it'll show you some of the different channels that are all right here: affordable, simple, flexible, all of that. So I went with the 2750, the orange and the blue. I think they copied that from us, but anyway, you see I got 46 channels. I have 50 hours of DVR included. I could put it on 1 to 3 devices, so that's pretty cool. I did that. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like really fast. And I'm going to go right on down the Sling right here, and I'm going to open it up. And I'll prove to you, since it's going to be on my YouTube platform as well as the other platforms that I have, that if this device or this service runs smooth on just about anything, you'll know it runs well. So if you look to the left, I named myself Mufasa. I'm a Lion King fan. I am paying, so I want to prove that out. So I don't want YouTube saying I don't owe anything. So I'll go to settings, and you can see subscription and services where I paid $27.50. All right, so this is a paid service. I'm coming from a paid service, not the free one. So I'm going to go right back to home. The home page is just like a lot of these fast channels, free ad supported television. But you'll see that I have access now that I'm paid to TNT, CNN, Caribbean Life. All these are live. If I go down, recommended for me, okay, you got the Daily Show. If I go here, or Streaming Hub, let's say I want to add a couple of these services. A lot of these services are working in conjunction with one another, so you can get AMC Plus. There's always a plus. So it's on top of what you have plus. So I love Discovery Plus. Already got that. Discovery Plus ad free. You got NBA League Pass, Showtime, Stars. You can add all of these that you want for a small monthly fee. I was just watching Enemy of the State on FX. Then you got sports on Sling, popular on Sling, hit movies on Sling. Now some of this, let me show you really fast. Let me go to the guide. I really love the guide. I mean, it is interactive. You can see at the top it has all A to Z favorites, recent, sports. So if I just went A to Z, it's just going to tell you on the guide. And this is really helpful, especially if you use their DVR service, which I'll show you in another video, how to schedule on Sling and maybe record some of your favorite shows. MGM Plus is something that has just come out. I heard it's really nice. I seen someone do a couple of reviews on it. So this is really good. Now you got the NBA on TNT. You got TBS, USA, Sci-Fi, pardon me, comment all the way through. Now, I'm going to go back up to the top here, and I'm going to go, there's favorites, recent. Okay. Let's go to sports. So you can see all the sports right there. Let's go to news. There's the news. So you got CNN tonight. You got movies. Let's go to movies. So here I wanted to show you this as well. So you got the movies. All of the movies are right here that are in the guide that are playing right now. Now, if I push to the left again, and let's say I go over to On Demand and press OK. Sling gives you a ton of On Demand for that $40 a month. This is solid across the board here. So you got, this, you got Furious 7 at the top. Okay, you got my watch list, TV shows and rentals. So if I go down, you got award-worthy films, last night's new episodes, House of Pain, Assisted Living, Snowfall, of course. If you haven't seen Moonshine, oh my God, that's such a great show. So there's plenty of things here. Let me go back up to the top here. I want to point out that even if you wanted to rent these applications, you can rent different movies if you haven't seen them right from the the Sling platform. $5.99. I haven't seen anything more than $5.99. You got winning films. You got action and adventure, drama. These are all for rent. Okay, every single one of them is for rent. Now, I know I'm going to get some people on our YouTube channel that says, if it's not free, it's not for me. Hey, that's fine. But on the YouTube channel, we want to make sure that I just want to show you a different thing. In other words, I use other services as well. But if this box is running really, really well, or really good with these types of services, if you're looking for any unverified services, you can find those. You just got to know where to look and where to go. And yeah, we've referred a lot of different things to a lot of different people, so that wouldn't be a problem to get you that information if you're looking for it. So one of the other things I love about this Sling platform, it's clean. I mean, the price at $40 a month, if that's about what 40 times 10 is 400, you might be looking under than $600 a year. The average cable bill, hey man, do your homework, $1,500 a year. So it doesn't have everything. You're going to have to use your discretion. You're going to have to use and test it out just to see if it's for you. But my gosh, it looks like it runs pretty good. So let me go ahead and open up a news. I'm going to open up something. I'm going to blot it out. But I just want to show you how it just runs and runs well. So I'm going to go to news, press OK. And then I'm going to go to CNN tonight. Okay, press OK. And there it is. It's running good. So that's how good and how fast. Now, because they have massive servers and because of free Sling Free Stream with ads, oh my God, the ads that they run on Sling Free Stream pays for the servers that they could probably give you. So it runs very, very well. So it's not so much the box or this and that. It's really about what your needs are. And if Sling is $40, I mean, it's less than, I think the counterpart, this is probably the cheapest of all of them. Now, all of them have different things that they tout. But Sling is solid all across the board. Now you can start with something, and let's say you want to add the NBA fully. You can add the Game Pass if you want during the season. But at the end of the day, you control what you're watching. You're watching what you want, and you're watching on a fabulous box. I mean, the Z11 Pro Max is ridiculous. And again, if the Z11 Pro Max can run at a high level on this, it can run at a high level on everything. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the home page. You can see this is my Z11. I have my Netflix here. I just signed up for YouTube TV. I want to show you that one. But this unit is fabulous for just about anything you could put on it. Of course, I have my VPN on here. And hey, let's give Sling a shot If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to know about Sling, I will put the link in the description. That way you can at least get Sling free stream, and also you can see some of the benefits and the pricing for the orange or the blue package, or both. And I hope you had a great time watching this video. Of course, we have different boxes and services. If you're interested, we would love to talk to you. Thank you to 300 new people that signed up or became subscribers on this channel. It's not the biggest channel out there, but man, I love streaming and I love helping you stream, because we are the stream machines. We take the difficult things of streaming and we make them easy for you, one video at a time. I'll see you in the next video, and that should be by